Yesterday was a huge milestone in the pandemic. In all 50 states, anyone over the age of 16, you guys are now eligible to get the vaccine. More than half the country has already received at least one dose, but experts are warning about vaccine hesitancy, people who aren't ready or don't yet know if they'll get the vaccine. So ABC News is saying hesitancy is the strongest in certain southern and western states and in some communities that have been hardest hit by COVID. But now some experts are questioning if we'll ever get to herd immunity when enough people are either vaccinated or past infection to stop the spread and also get back to normal. So DBL Nation, we got to hear from you. You guys are always our barometer. How are you feeling about it? Have you been vaccinated? Do you plan to get vaccinated? Please write in, let us know, vote right there. We're looking at it. I've been vaccinated, and I also had the Johnson & Johnson one. I know there's more hesitancy with that one, but I feel very confident. My husband and I, in 2 years, we had our very first trip. It was local, we drove, but still, I felt confident. I felt like, oh my gosh, I'm also a responsible citizen here, protecting my family, myself, and my neighbors. How do you guys feel about it?
I have a question that I want to ask everybody here, because I feel like in hip-hop, they say there's levels to this. And Sam, you're confident. But, like, Lindsay, are you go to a concert confident?
Oh,
Jeff, are you sit in an arena confident?
No.
Like, I want to know what level of confidence you're at, Lindsay.
Good question.
I feel like it's also like a thing of just be selective for me about who I'm around, being very careful, because I'm not in the business of convincing people about why they should or should not make health choices for themselves. It's really annoying trying to tell people what they should and shouldn't do. I think everybody has the research now, has the information. And so like if it comes to a point where somebody's been running around and just is not going to be vaccinated or not going to wear a mask around me, then they're just not going to be around me as much as I can control. And I think that, you know, slowly but surely people will get more comfortable as they see that they're not allowed to travel or do anything, and they'll get vaccinated.
But some people are very comfortable. When my husband and I went to Vail, okay, let me tell you, wow. People, mostly teenagers or maybe young 20-somethings, would congregate. They call it like when you ski, you can also pray, A-P-R-E-S. Après. Okay, so the producers are like, après ski. So that means basically, you know, it's an after party. So after my husband and I were done snowboarding, of course, wearing masks, social distancing, the vast majority of people were, boom, in the middle of a square. I mean, people so packed like sardines in a can, partying.
You sound like the oldest neighbor that I've ever heard. These kids are dancing the hip-hop. Jeff, what about you?
Listen, I think I'm ready for a concert come summertime. You know, if I'm outside, I'm vaccinated, I'm never going to ever tell anybody, are you vaccinated or not vaccinated? I'm like Lindsay. In my own life, I will control that situation. Outside, it's too politicized for some crazy reason, and I'm not getting into politics with strangers. You know what I'd rather do?
What?
Good point.
Anything. I don't know. Anything.
Anything but Lindsay, Lindsay, your buddy Danny Green plays for the Lakers. If he's in town next time, or not, he got traded to the Sixers.
What?
Would you go to the game?
Okay.
No, I can't do it. I'm sorry. I just got to take a break from all those events just for a little while.